Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Microsoft Flight Simulator. We will begin by setting up your first flight. You can choose from over 70 aircraft, ranging from small propeller planes to large airliners. Then, select your starting and destination airports from thousands of real-world locations. You can also customize the weather, time of day, and season to create unique flying scenarios. Finally, adjust your controls for a personalized experience. Now let's cover the fundamental controls. You'll use the throttle to manage speed and the rudder and ailerons for steering. The primary flight display shows crucial information like your altitude, airspeed, and heading. For longer flights, the autopilot system can assist with navigation, allowing you to enjoy the scenery. Practice your takeoffs and landings at different airports to become a confident pilot. Once you're comfortable with the basics, explore the advanced features. Interact with realistic air traffic control, which provides authentic guidance and communication. The simulator also boasts dynamic weather systems, including live weather data updated frequently, mirroring real-world conditions. You can practice both visual flight rules and instrument flight rules navigation. The detailed global scenery includes over 37,000 airports, many of which are handcrafted. Finally, dive into the expansive community and customization options. Connect with other pilots for shared flights and online events. A vast array of add-ons and modifications are available to personalize your simulator. You can also participate in various challenges and training missions to further develop your piloting abilities. New aircraft and scenery packs are frequently released, ensuring there's always something new to explore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.